सर हेल्थ सेक्टर में क्या ऐसा गोवा गवर्नमेंट ने न्यू एक स्कीम ऐसा कुछ क्या ला रहा है सर?
अभी तो हॉस्पिटल बन रहा है, कैंसर सुपर स्पेशलिटी ब्लॉक में एनी टाइम नेक्स्ट मंथ construction can begin. All the procedures are being completed. Then there is a cancer regional cancer center for which 40 crores have been approved.
8.5 crores we already received.
First installment has come, so that work also will begin.
नवीन हाडल्या त्यो एम्ब्युलन्सी 18 लाखाक एक, तशेंच नवीन कार्डियक एम्ब्युलन्सी येतल्यो त्यो खंय 28 लाखाच्यो. आदल्यो थोड्यो बळकडी आयिल्ल्यो 108 स्क्रॅप करतले म्हूण पर्रीकर उलयला.
Initially it was only ambulance. Now it has a ventilator and all initial requirement is embedded. In fact, the one which had a still better facility. And now 5 more cardiac are coming. They will have a special facility so that patient can be revived and taken to the hospital.
So ये एम्बुलेंस सब विलेज में भी कितना पैसा यूजफुल होएगा ऐसा लग रहा है?
38 मतलब means almost every constituency is covered. There are 40 constituencies. So virtually every constituency is covered.
The old one will be replaced.
That depends on condition. So some of the old ones will be scrapped, around 18 lakhs, and cardiac will be around 28 lakhs. The ventilator itself, which is fitted in the general, is around 5-6 lakhs cost. What is put up in cardiac will be around 12 to 13 lakhs. So that ventilator itself is of a higher grade.
1 जानेरसावन गोंया भायल्या पेशंटा कडल्यान 4 हॉस्पिटलांनी फी घेतले. GMC, पोंडा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल, हॉस्पिसियो आनी म्हापशेच्या डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलान हे 4 हॉस्पिटलांनी आतां भायल्या पेशंटांक उपचार फी लागतली म्हूण शुक्रारा जाहीर केल्ले. पर्रीकर सांगता मात सगळ्यो इमर्जन्सी सर्विसीस फ्री आसतल्यो.
Goa government is responsible for the Goans, and therefore we will take care of Goans. Even issue which is normally coming about neighboring coming, we have no objection to it. The charges are very minimal and only for certain procedures which are not emergency procedures. All emergency procedures are free, irrespective of who is the person. Emergency procedure nowhere is being charged or denied. Even the normal procedures we don't deny. The charges will be for a very specific procedure which does not require on the spot type of immediate attention. These are fixed procedures for which only 20% of the package charge is being levied, and that too only for
nominal.
I think few.
GMCन सुपर स्पेशलिटी आनी कॅन्सर स्पेशलिटीच्या युनिटाचें काम बेगीन सुरू जातलें म्हूण तो उलयला. प्रुडंटा खातीर तुकाराम मराठी.